Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Sisi here, and today we are going to make chicken with you. I'll show you how to make chicken stew. Here I have my chicken, as you can see. So I need to wash my chicken. I'll wash my chicken. And so guys, I have a strainer. So once the water is over, I will be able to make my stew. So now I'll transfer my chicken to the pot. And what I do, I'll just steam my chicken for a while, or I will boil my chicken for a little, only little water I'll put. And so guys, I'll let my chicken cook. I'll let it boil like some few minutes. So when the water is drained, I'll be able to show you how I'll make my chicken stew. So there we go. So meanwhile, I had cut onions, garlic, and ginger, and I will use black pepper to spice my chicken, and I have here mixed spices to spice my chicken, and I also have, we call this one Royco cubes, and I will show later how I'll make my chicken. So guys, my chicken now is dry, as you can see. So what I will do, I'll add oil. I'll show you. So now I will add oil. I'll add carrots, grated carrots. I'll add onions. Excuse me. I'll add garlic and ginger. And then I'll add fresh tomatoes. I put everything at once in the pot, and my chicken will be able to be very delicious. Now it's smelling very nice, smelling very yummy. Then I'll add salt, little salt. As usual, I'm using I'll use my black pepper. I'm grinding. Then I'll add my mixed spices because I like spice chicken. Then I'll add my Royco cubes, 2 cubes. The other cube. And now I will mix it. Wow guys, I'm telling you, it's really smelling very nice, especially the spices. So now I'll leave it and I let my chicken to cook because I had only branched for a while. So now I let it cook and then I'll add my soup. So now we leave it to cook and then I'll show you what I will do next. So guys, we'll check my meat. My chicken now I can see is cooked. It's well cooked. So I'll add some soup because it's gravy. I want to make a stew. So I'll not put too much stew, as you can see. So now I'll leave it and my chicken will be ready. So the chicken, I'll show you, I normally serve with the vegetables. So I'll wait, I'll check the salt. Wow, it's really nice, tasty. The spices are well blended. And so guys, now I'll wait for my chicken to boil and it will be done. And then I'll show you how I'm making my vegetables. So guys, now my chicken, you can see my chicken is ready to eat and it seems to be so yummy. It's very, very yummy, very, very yummy. The spices have blended very well. So I will remove it and I will make my vegetables now. So I'll show you how I'm making my vegetables so you can be able to serve chicken stew with vegetables at home. It's a very nice meal. Meanwhile, while I'm waiting for my onion, when I'm waiting for my onion to cook, I'll be taking tea and mandazi. For those people who love mandazi, especially Kenyans, you know mandazi. So I'll be taking tea with my family and mandazi. Very nice mandazi. So guys, now I'll add, my onion is okay now. I'll add ginger and garlic. Ginger and garlic. It's an easy recipe how to make a vegetable stew or vegetables at home. So now I'm ready to add my vegetables. So I put ginger, garlic, onion. Then I'll add my potatoes and carrots. Then I'll add my French beans. So this is how I'll make my vegetables. Then I'll add salt. Then I'll add salt. I'll also put mixed spices. So I'll leave it to cook, and then I'll show you how it will turn out. So I leave my vegetable to cook. I'll cover it and then I'll come back, guys. So guys, my vegetables are still cooking. They're smelling very good. And so I'll just add little soup so it can cook well until my potatoes are done. They are almost. So we wait for our vegetables to be cooked. So my vegetables is ready now, as you can see, and ready to serve. Here is my vegetables. So now I have served. This is how it looks like. So guys, this is a simple recipe. The chicken is so tasty and yummy. You can cook this meal for your family at home, especially at Christmas time. So it's early Christmas with tasty food and delicious chicken. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're new here, welcome to the family. And if you're part of the family, subscribe, share, and tell it about it to your family. Try this recipe and I'm very sure you'll love it. You can serve the chicken with vegetables, and if you have rice, you can serve with rice, plain rice, or even paratha or chapati. Thank you guys. Bye.